Hello, welcome to this EarSketch video. My name is Leah, and today I'll be talking about the set effect function. Set effect is used a lot in EarSketch. Once you've populated your tracks with sound samples using Fit Media, you can use set effect to add effects to your song. Effects are used in the music industry to modify sounds. You can change the volume, add some reverb or delay, which are two different kinds of echo. You can add tremolo, a low-pass filter, a high-pass filter, and you have countless possibilities. With EarSketch, there are 16 different effects. To use the set effect function, you need to have 4 parameters. First, the track where you want to place your effect. Then the type of effect you want to use, the parameter name, and the value of the parameter. Let's see this in detail with a script. So I created a new script for this example. As usual, we import the EarSketch library. We use this line to initialize the code and this one to finish the code. And we use the set tempo to set the speed of the song. We already have a Fit Media here. Let's listen to it. Now let's write our set effect line. We have 4 parameters. The first one is the track. Because our sound is on track 1 already and we want to modify it, we're going to apply the effect to track 1. The second parameter is the effect type. Here we're going to take the example of volume, which will determine if the track is loud or quiet. To see a list of all possible effects, you can use the EarSketch API. Go to the 4th icon from the top in the left bar. This will open your EarSketch API. It shows all the descriptions of EarSketch functions. If you type set effect in the search box, you will see the possible effect types that you can use with set effect. So back to our parameters. The third is the effect parameter. For volume, it's gain. The gain is expressed in decibels. It should be between -60 decibels and +12 decibels. Gain is just the name of the parameter. Then we need to indicate the value we want for gain. Let's say we want this track to be quieter. We're going to need a negative value of gain. Let's try -20. And that's all for our parameters. So let's listen to it once again without the effect. Now let's run the code. You see that a new line was added on track 1. It's the volume that we are modifying. Now let's hear it. You can definitely hear that the sound is quieter. You can use this to mix your song, which means decide which track needs to be louder and which track needs to be quieter. And that's all for our video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.